this video, we are going to see that if we want to update our contact number on LinkedIn, how we can do this. So let's get started. So first of all, guys, you need to go on your view profile and you can update the contact number from here as well. Just go to the contact number and from here, let's edit this. And here you can place your new number. But also while applying jobs, we need to update the number, right? So in that case, we can go to the profile and click on settings and privacy. And from here, just go to the sign in and security. And here you can change your number in the phone numbers. So let's add a number here. It sent a verification code to our email. Let's enter that PIN, paste it right here. Let's click on submit. And then we are able to enter a new number. Now we need to specify the country and enter the LinkedIn password. Let's click on send code and it will send the code to our phone number. And then you can verify your number. Now we can see that this number is now set. Now you can make this primary. Again, we have to enter our password and this is the primary number now. So guys, this is how we can update the number on LinkedIn. Just try it by yourself and I will see you in the next one.